Okay, and today we will be explaining the type of shader classes in this code. In this code, the shader of class that is used to create and open GL shaders, the shader class has a public member variable called ID, which is this, and the GL UINT, which is this, which is the difference of the reference of ID, the shader program. It also has a constructor that builds the shader program from two different shaders, a vertex shader and a fragment shader. The constructor takes in two parameters, which is the vertex file and the fragment file, which is these two. Which are the file paths to the vertex shader and fragment shader source codes files. The class has also two public members of functions, which is activate open and close parenthesis and delete open and close parenthesis, which is this code. This is deactivate and this is delete. Activate is used to activate the shader program, while delete is used to delete the shader program. The class has also a private member function called compile errors, which is this code, which is used to check if the different shaders have compiled properly. It takes two parameters, shader and type. This is shader and this is type, which are the shader ID and the type of shader, either vertex or fragment. And the last code is the get file contents. Well, this function is a helper function that reads the contents of a file and it returns it as a string.